Hello, my name is Vitaly. I'm CTO at Front Pictures, and here we are demonstrating our flagship product, Screenberry, which is the media server software. Here we are showing how powerful media playback engine we have. The video you see on the screen has the resolution of 14 by 6K, and you can see 15 4K projectors on top of the booth, and they are connected just to the single media server, and it plays and warps the video in real time on the 3D object and flat screen with this huge, enormous resolution. You can see more details on our website, screenberry.com or frontpictures.com. You can see many projects we have done with the Screenberry over the course of 10 years.